True love to the mall. With a couple capos and 100 fucking dimes. Color slaughter gang, you get your shit paused. Draco with a drum, this bitch ain't never go stop. We on that night war shit, slaughter gang shit.
Hello and welcome to another one of my videos. In this video I'll be doing some braided ponytail, some braided ponytail, some braids into a ponytail, into a high ponytail. And the look that I'm going for is this Nubian design. So I have this half already braided. This is a full lace wig that I'm braiding on. The hair that I'm using is this brand right here. And I just have this side left to go. Here's what it looks like in the front on this side. And on, I'm sorry, in the back right here. So I have these two braids coming forward, and I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. It's not bad at all. It really it didn't stretch. I mean, not stretch. It didn't shrivel up at all. I think like it's really a perfect fit. Okay, I'm coming.
Take a picture?
No, I was gonna do it right now. Yeah, so I can see it. I'm coming.
Why you acting like you talking now?
Keep screaming at me.
Because
Hurry up! Come on, give me them titties. This is just the baby hairs that I left out, and then I have the 2 braids coming up front. The cap is too big to fit completely on the mannequin head, which is good. That means it will fit perfect on an actual person's head. So you can see where it's crinkled up here because there's not enough space. I mean, the mannequin head isn't filling in the space.
Sit down, man.
And it's about this long. Girl.
Sit down.
So this is a full, it's braided on a full lace wig. Let me take it off so you can see what it looks like underneath. So it really didn't, the cap really didn't shrink at all. Oh, trying to get this hair out the way. So it's not a lot of shrinkage at all. Uh-oh. If I don't have it glued down or anything, I just have the regular strap that comes with the wig connected together. That's kind of keeping it in place, but it's not really, you know, all the way down, as you can tell, because I still have the lace right here. But anyways, I just wanted to show you what it looks like on an actual person's head. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Let me know what you think about how I did it, your opinion. I don't know if it's safe to ask for their opinion. And also, if you are interested in purchasing one of these, the link to where you can purchase it will be in the description section below. So go ahead and check it out. And then the length is like, I'm like 5 foot even, and it reaches about just below my waist.